This video is sponsored by Skillshare. 'Tis the season of giving gifts. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? Today's video, we have a highly requested video, and when I say highly, I mean like, it has been requested since I started my channel. So, I just kicked the camera. So I decided, you know what better time to do this video than November, right before gift giving month, right before the gift giving season, okay? I gotta give you guys some times to get your gifts together, okay? If you celebrate Christmas and you're gonna give some gifts to friends or family, you need to get started now. So this is our 50 gift crochet ideas. So these are all perfect gifts, and I actually kind of went through a little bit, and we've got 5 categories for this video today. We have general cute gifts, okay? Nothing cray-cray. So we've got some general cute gifts, we've got blankets, we've got fast gifts. So if you're clicking on this video and Christmas is tomorrow and you need a gift, that category is for you. And then we've got some bags, and we've got gifts specifically for book lovers. Now, I made a category specifically for book lovers because I've gotten a lot of book lover recommendations, and I haven't done a full video for it yet, and I just want to make sure you guys are getting some gifts, okay? So that one's in there. So before I get started, as always, everything I say is listed in the description box below, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. So let's jump right into the first category, which is our general cute gifts category. Alright, so for this one, of course, I literally cannot make a video without recommending this one, and it is our crocheted hammock for yarn, stuffed animals, books, clothes, bags, whatever, okay? It can be used for anything, so I'm definitely recommending that as a really good gift for the upcoming season, okay? You can also make this water bottle holder, okay? Because we're going on warm, cozy girl walks, hot girl walks. We need our water bottles, and they're really literally for everybody. Anybody would want one of those. If your friend or family member has AirPods, we've got this cute little bear AirPod case, okay? If your family member or friend, whoever you're giving a gift to is what I'm gonna say, is a smoker, okay, and still enjoys a cigarette now and then or every day, you can crochet this really cute cigarette box holder with a little lighter holder. Super cute, super cozy, kind of cuten up something that would otherwise kind of be ugly, okay? You can also make this really cute cake tissue box cover. I have made this. It's a video tutorial, beginner friendly. It took me maybe like 2 or 3 hours to make. I love it. It's literally sitting over there. It's in my room. It's the cutest thing ever. So if you have a friend who's very like Lana Del Rey, you know, coded, make that for her, okay? Another thing you can make is these really easy granny square fingerless gloves, okay? It's literally just like a granny square and some extra, okay? Super cute, super easy, super beginner friendly. Speaking of making gifts, okay, crocheting gifts coming for the holiday season. We're currently in fall. It is prime time to go craft shopping, get your supplies, start planning your gifts, start planning your decor, sit down, things like that. We are officially in fall, you guys, okay? It's time. Get cozy, learn a new craft, and start working on your gifts for the holiday season, okay? Lucky for you, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare has classes on a wide variety of topics, including illustration, graphic design, photography, UX design, creative writing, animation, fine art, music production, and so much more, you guys. So whether you want to learn the basics of watercoloring or how to start your own creative small business, Skillshare has classes to take you from beginner to pro alongside a supportive community. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I have been learning how to knit with the help of Skillshare, okay? And I cannot stop talking about this Knitting 101 course that I have actually completed taking at this moment, okay? I completed taking, it's Vincent Williams Knitting 101 course. I finished it, I learned how to read a knit pattern, I learned how to do all the basic knitting stitches, and because of this course, I was able to complete my very first knitting project, and that is these fingerless gloves. Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you have seen these gloves make an appearance before, but I love them. They turned out so cute. Look at that. See? Adorable. I would not have been able to follow this pattern if I did not learn all those skills from my Skillshare courses, okay? So now that I got the basics down, I'm really excited to go look around on the website and find some more knitting projects to do. It's super exciting. I love delving into a new craft. But if knitting's not for you and you're here for crochet, okay, and you want to learn how to modify patterns and better just understand crochet patterns, Skillshare has so many videos on that topic as well. So if you want to unlock your creativity and learn something new, then Skillshare is giving the first 500 people that use my link 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Did you hear that? I said the first 500 people to use the link in my description will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So speaking of handmade gifts, okay, let's get back into our handmade gifts. You can hand make a pillow like this with some easy to learn starburst or sunburst granny squares, okay? Super easy. You guys can do that. You can also do an easy granny stitch, basic granny square pants like these ones. You can make this really cute cozy heart pillow. You can make a granny square scarf like this one, which I've actually seen these starting to get more popular, so if you want to get ahead of the trend, definitely make this. You can make these jar covers for candles or jars that hold hooks or paintbrushes or whatever. You can make some cozy leg warmers. If your friend crochets, you can make them a handmade, or I guess handmade, you can make them a crocheted hook case, okay, for all their hooks and their supplies, because I bet you they probably haven't made one for themselves. So that would be a really cute gift if you have a friend who's also a crochet artist. You can also make this cute little glasses holder head, okay, adorable. You can make this mushroom jewelry holder, which has been popular for a while and it is circling back around, so that's a really cute gift. If your friend is into music and record players and collecting vinyls, make this record player coaster set. It is so cute and so creative and I love it. I stumbled across it and I was like, this is the perfect gift for someone who loves vinyls, okay? So another cute little AirPod case. We got a little mushroom one. We've got for our neurodivergent friends and family members, we've got a crocheted fidget toy, okay, super cute. I know some of you guys want me to make a whole fidget toy video and that is in the works, but for now I'm going to give you this one. You can also make some cute, you know, Y2K trendy wall hangings like these ones. If your friend is not an AirPod user and they're more of like an over-the-head headphone user, you can always make headphone covers like these cute little heart ones. If your friend is a K-pop stan and collects photo cards, you can totally make a photo card cover. There are so many. There's like a bunny one, a frog one, a lemon one, super cute like strawberry ones, like these ones. And then even if they don't collect photo cards, you can actually have like your picture printed or you and your friend printed on a picture, or even like Polaroids in those, and it just makes like a sentimental gift so much cuter. You know what I mean? So those are really cute. You can also make these glasses cover or holder pouches, okay? If your friend or family wears glasses, you can make these tiny crocheted paintings, super cute for your friends who are like art majors or are artsy, okay? Adorable. You can make these fun flower beanies. You can make a laptop sleeve, okay? Lots of options. Cute, universal, good gifts, all right? So now moving into the next category, we have blankets. So if you think you can finish a blanket by the time you need to give the gift, this is for you. We've got, I just did some beginner friendly ones. So we've got the normal granny square blanket. We also have a bigger granny square, kind of granny stitch style blanket, and a 6-day star blanket. I have made a 6-day star blanket as a gift and it took me 6 days. So if you are just now watching this video and Christmas is 6 days away, you can do it. Okay, I believe in you. So good luck. In the next category, we have our fast gifts. So this is the category for everybody who just clicked on this video and Christmas is tomorrow and you're freaking out, okay? These are under an hour, maybe even 30 minutes or less crochet gifts. So we've got crochet ring, don't want to hear how impractical it is. I think it's adorable. I think they're coming into trend. I love them. Make some. Okay, love it. You can make these cute little like pen or makeup pouches. Adorable. If your friend's a gamer or just overall has over the head headphones on like all the time, make this cute little leaf sprout to go on top. Okay, you can make these cute little flower cable organizers for their chargers and their headphones. You can make a chapstick holder and add a keychain or like a little clasp like this one. You can make scrunchies. You can make card holders. You can even make charger covers. You can make AirPod cases like from a granny stitch. So very beginner basic level, okay? You can make these really simple headbands if you're still not very advanced and you want to get a gift. You know, you want to give a crochet gift. There you go. You can make a similar style headband but with little granny squares. Still simple. If your friends frequently use a lighter, you can do lighter covers. Again, quick, cute, customizable, okay? Adorable gifts. Next category we have is bags. So you've got a little bit more time on your hands, okay? You can make a granny square bag like this one, perfect for the beach. You can make a checkered bag, which I've made these before with this YouTube tutorial, and it is amazing. Okay, I love it. I would recommend sewing a lining into any bag you do that's like this. It just keeps it from stretching and it kind of makes it like more handmade. You can do these cute little basic shoulder bags. Those are good for like the clean girl aesthetic friends. You can make a market bag for your farmers market friends. Okay, super cute. I've made plenty of these and it is a beautiful tutorial and I love it, and I will never stop recommending that tutorial. So but those are all the bags I have for you. So in the next category, our next and last final category is for our book lovers. This might be like a self insert because I'm a book lover and I would have loved to receive any of these gifts. Unfortunately, I'm the only one I know who crochets. So I won't be getting a crochet gift this year, but you can make these. I have an eyelash in my eye. Again. You guys, I'm losing my voice. I spent the other day yelling at like 30 fifth graders. The life of teaching. I'm losing my voice and I'm probably gonna get sick because those kids were coughing. Oh my god. 'Tis the season. Anyway, sorry. Back on track. So we've got this really cute tea bag bookmark. You can even crochet Kindle covers, okay? Come on, Kindle covers. If you have a friend who loves their Kindle, please make them this, okay? We've got Kindle cover like this one that's kind of like over the top, a little probably more hard, and then you can make this pink one that kind of has like a sleeve that you kind of just pull back, super cute. You can make this pen little holder that kind of like straps onto the book if you know your friend likes to annotate their books. You can make a book sleeve with 2 little buttons, you know, super cute. You can make this book sleeve that has a pocket on the front to hold tabs or pens if you know your friends like to tab their books. Super cute, super awesome options for your book lover friends and family. Okay, that is all 50 gift ideas. If you need more, let me know. I am planning on doing like a gifts for your mom video, a gifts for your dad video, a gifts for your best friend video. You know, I'm trying to do some more specific gift crochet videos, but this one's just like your overall generic, could work for pretty much anybody video. So let me know in the comments, okay? Like always, everything I said is listed in the description box below, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorials. You can make whatever I'm showing you. If you're looking for the pictures I used, they're all on a cohesive Pinterest board in the description box below. And I think that's all I have to say, okay? If you're not following me on Instagram, why aren't you? If you're not subscribed to the channel, why aren't you? It's a huge community of awesome, creative people who just want to share their favorite projects and help everybody learn how to be better crocheters. So join the community, okay? Get down in the comments, start talking to people. Other than that, you guys, I will see you in the next video. I love you. Bye.